So after having installed the new HT leads, I find that there have some interference with the audio system in my MG. So you hear that sound, that pop right there. That didn't happen with the old HT leads, but it happens with these new ones. So I think they're just they're not shielded enough, and they're causing some electromagnetic interference with the wiring somehow of the audio system. Alright, trying to see if I can fix these HT leads that I got off of eBay. I found out that there's some EMI coming through because there's not enough shielding on these. So what I've done is I've bought some of this metal braided sleeving. It's a 1/2 inch, fits right over the HT lead, and then I put the two ends back on, and I got some of this heat shrink, and so I'm going to put that over. What I did on the lead on the end of it is I put the metal sleeving around the outside, and then I put this heat shrink, pulled this down. I don't want this metal sleeving on the inside of the boot. I want it to go on the outside of the boot. And then what I'll do is I'll heat shrink it around the outside here, and we'll give that a test and see if that shields it better from EMI and causes it not to send any interference into my speaker. So here's what it came out to look like. I have the coil wire, and that's the only one that needed it. I had the coil wire here connected to my Bosch coil and then to the distributor, and I haven't had a problem with it. I've driven it about 3 or 4 times since I've put this shielding on, and not one problem with the Bluetooth module or speaker giving any feedback or popping like it was. So I'm going to consider it solved, and we'll just leave it like that. I don't think any issues will come from that. I did make sure that this was sealed on both ends, and that this sheathing is not touching any of the actual inner core of the wiring. But that's it. As far as I'm concerned, it's solved, and if it comes up again, then I'll try to figure out a different way to fix it.